Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today it is Monday, June 6th. Sorry to hop on a little bit late. Got caught up in the sauce. My back, I blew out my back, so trying to figure that out. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. I need to keep this up. I actually didn't do my trade journal from Friday, so I want to make sure I just able to do this simple stuff right here. But what I was looking at was actually it was from the top right here. On my phone, I was looking at a trade possibility and setup. Well, look, let me show you this. Let's just draw the fib out. From there to there, we're at about golden zone, right? Now, this ILC is what I thought price was going to go off of last week. You could see it kind of turned from the 78.6 to now it's at the 61.8, right? So I like this area to sell off from. I really do. You can see it's already shown somewhat respect right here. And I think, if we could see it just retap this area, we'd be looking at probably, I guess we would, unfortunately, realistically, I would just have my stops above this wick, right? I would usually do my stops like this. Just because I know this ILC is up here, I know it's a possibility price could come up to this area before falling. So even though I like to have about a 56 pip stop loss from this ILC right here, I think realistically it'd have to be about probably like 100 pips, yeah. And there's even a possibility it can make it up to this ILC up here. So you got to just be mindful of what price is doing. Um, I think it's important. We got about 9 minutes till open. It could just fall off from here, or it could just continue pushing up because what we had was a break of structure, right? We had price, the higher low, break above these ones, right? Broke above this, broke above this, broke above this, broke above these. So it looks like, we had a break of structure to the upside. But then on Friday, we had, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So we had these broken, right? So I feel like we could still see price come down. Um, but it didn't break below this low, so that's what always worries me, right? But at the end of the day, I thought since price broke below here, that we would see a push down. But obviously that reversed on us. So it's already 30 pips in the profit right here, which is kind of crazy. Um, yeah, so let's see if price gives it to us. That's the one thing that I think we have to look for. One second here. Go. I think this is the trade that I'm going to be looking for. It's just a matter of if it's going to go ahead and retrace back up. So let's see. I'm not in the trade yet. I'd like for it to retrace back up, but we'll see right now. We'll see what the market gives us at this point. And I'm going to just wait to see if we have a small retracement back up. That's my goal. Damn, that shit's moving. I mean, I guess all we can do is wait and see, right? That's really all we can do right now. Let's see if we get a retracement. That's all I'd really be looking for right now. I mean, hopefully we see the retracement. That's all I really want to see. So we're able to hop back into the trade. So let's see. I mean, you can see it's basically been in consolidation this entire time. Yeah, it looks pretty deep back in there. So I'm not sure if it's going to make its way back up. But we'll see right now at open. We got about 5 minutes, and we'll see if it gives it, what we're looking for. Yeah, that looks pretty deep, like pretty bearish, but it's still it's still hmm. Yeah, we'll see. Hopefully it gives us what we need to see. Um, see that retracement. That's the biggest thing for me. Got to see that retracement. Oh, Johnny, what's up, man? I just seen. I think it just looks frozen, but price is still ticking, so it's good to go. Um, I don't know if you heard me before. I'm not going to delete this just because I didn't do my trade journal from Friday. I'm going to do that after we trade today. But I'm actually still using the same setup from Friday, right? This is where we took the sell off. Well, this is where I took the sell off of. And then this is where I was expecting price to reach, but you could see it came up and reached it today. Now, the only thing that's kind of, you know, worrying me is we had this consolidation. And now we have this big push up. The 15-minute 20 EMA crossed over. You can see it crossed over the 50 EMA and how price has just respected it the entire way up. So that's the only thing that's really worrying me right now. I'm going to go ahead and get down to the smaller time frames. And let's see. All right. Yeah, even the five. So this is even the 5-minute 50 EMA that's being respected right here. So we got about a minute. Let me go ahead and get my other one out here. Nothing going on in terms of news today on Forex factoring, so I think we should be good there. To the 1 minute. Alright, let's see what it gives us. About 30 seconds till open. I mean, on the 1 minute, it's already creating lower lows and lower highs. You actually have the 1 minute EMAs crossing over right now. So let's see what it gives us. If it pushes back up into the zone. Like I said, I want to see it push back up into this area. I like to see that. No, okay. It's moving. All right, let's see if we could get that area back where we want it. I put a little sell in. I don't know if it's going to work. I'm up at about, what is this? Hold on 1 second. Looking at the chart right now. 7. Oh, that shit's flying right now. I don't know if I like it all the way. Let me see. I did go smaller just because I knew it was a bigger stop loss. So that was the biggest thing for me. Put a 0.02 in there. You see the rejection coming. All right, let's see. It's in there. I mean, it looks like it could possibly push up right here. It's too heavy of a push up. Like, let me just go ahead and show you guys. But it is rejecting, so we'll see if it comes down in our favor and does what we want it to do. My 0.02 is in at 50.05. Think about adding something right here. Alright, I mean, I just added a position. We'll see if it comes down. This is big right here. Because if it, oh, well, on the 1 minute, let me show you right here. If it just bounces off this and pushes back up, then, we got an issue. Yeah, that's a big rejection. Don't like it necessarily, but let's see if it can continue down. Uh, yeah, I don't like that push. Damn. I mean, let's see if it uses that as a resistance and comes down, but looks like a lot of the momentum's to the upside. Damn. Yeah, it looks like a lot of the pulls to the upside. Doesn't look all that great with the rejection on the 5 minute or the 1 minute 50 EMA right here. 19 seconds left. Let's see what it does. See if it can, break down right here. It looks a little good. It's still rejecting it though. You see that? See if it can hold it down. Still 40 seconds left, which is a lot of time. And really what's gonna finish right here is this 5 minute candle. So I'd like to see it finish way below. Way, way, way below. Truthfully, that's what I'd like to see. Yeah, it's still rejecting it though. That's the crazy part. Still holding my positions. We'll see what happens. Alright, I think we might, I don't know. I think I'm going to close out one of my bottom positions. Maybe move stops to break even right here. That's still somewhat respecting that area. I'm going to trust it. I'm in profit a good amount with that top position, but let's see if it can finally make its way down. Alright, let's see. It's pushing. This is a big area. I think I might just pull profits just to pull profits, but let me see. Alright, I just closed 200 bucks right now. See if this shit could keep going. I'm at 771. Wow, that was a big rejection. I don't like that rejection. Let me see what it did reject right now. Still not all the way to the 15 minute. It could still fly up right now, which I don't like. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see though. It's one of those things where I'm like kind of iffy about it just because of, price kind of breaking structure to the upside on the overall, on the bigger time frames, right? So let's see if it comes our way right now. Had a nice trade called. Let's see if it goes our way. I'm actually up a little bit higher on my other position, so let's see. It's not necessarily breaking it though. I'm up about 65 pips. That's about right. Hoping it could come down though. Let's see. Think I might just pull profits just to secure some. Let's see. Damn, this looks nice. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, it's rejecting that zone. Damn. Yeah, it looks like it might come up. Wow, that's crazy. Don't like that. I just closed the point zero 0.02. I just don't like the way it's working right now. Hopefully it can come back down, but it looks like it might come back up on us, unfortunately. If it can use one of these as a resistance, that'd be great. I just wanted to make sure I secured a little bit of my day right there. And hopefully it comes down from here. It's just, you could see the rejections right here, so it can easily come up. I'm kind of just banking off of this area right here, and I'm hoping we could at least reach this ILC. So hopefully it uses this as resistance and comes back down. You can see it basically rejected the 15-minute. See if this pushes right here. Doesn't look so great, but you know, we'll see. Damn. Yeah, this shit's coming up. Let's just hope it doesn't come all the way up. Hopefully it rejects it right here and makes its way back down. And I hope it doesn't make its way all the way back up. That would suck. Should have just closed out my profits, but this 15-minute doesn't look so, how would you say it? The 15-minute doesn't look so great. It looks like it could definitely fly up from here. So we'll see right now. Like that, but it has to break through this 50 EMA right here. If it doesn't, then it's just, you know, damn, look at that. Yeah, we need to see a huge reversal right here. Else I'm going to probably just pull my trade. It doesn't stop me out beforehand because we have like the double tweezer bottom. We have an engulfing candle if it finishes up here. And then we just have, like I said, a possible break of structure on these bigger time frames to the upside. And look at that. Yeah, it doesn't look like it wants to break this 1 minute either. As you can see right here. It's using it as support, right? But let's see what the next one looks like. because this minute right here is the end of the 5 minute, the end of the 15 minute. So let's see what happens. It's either it comes down or it just flies back up and respects it. The 15 minute. And you can see the 15 minute, the way that looks. Yeah, I think it's gonna stay right in the middle probably and be like, where are we going? Yeah, I still don't like that 5 minute. Still respecting the 1 minute EMA. See that? I'd like to see it just come down. It's the biggest thing for me, so see if it does. I mean, I feel like it engulfed the EMA, but I think it could still go up, so I'm not too confident that it's going to continue down, but it looks good. Just doesn't look like I would have liked for it to finish like where it's at right now. We'll see right now. We'll see if it pushes down. I would have liked this candle to finish down here. Then I would have been confident. We'll see right now. Got this ILC, this box that we were using as a sell zone. You can see it's being respected. So it could hit this and push up. These are all things we need to look for to see if it's going to come down. And again, the reason I do like it is because price this low broke below this low. Of course it broke below these lows, but it broke below this low and this low. So we'll see right now. Like that. I think I might take some more profit right here. Damn. You see what it's doing right here, right? It's kind of using this box as support the same way it's been using it before. Somewhat using it again, but I want to see if it comes down here. All right, we're in business. And it's still rejecting that area, which I don't like. All right, let's see if it goes our way now. I think it should. I think it could.
No. What?
Him. Hi.
He was at the markers like.
What's up, bro? What's up, dude? All right, we're in business. Again, if you guys are happy with profits, take them. You know,
No.
this isn't a small feat right here. We're up a good amount, you know, close to 100 pips. Let's see. We're in business.
No.
And this is a big area right here. So I'm going to take some profits just right here on this area. Even though my TP's right here, um, I don't know if it's going to hit it. Oh, it hit it. Perfect. I was a little short on my timing, but it might come down a little bit more, but I just wanted to make this money real quick. My bad. I had it a little bit long, but I had the TP at 70, how many pips? Or 97 pips. So something like that. I had my TP at 674. So somewhere right here, basically. Yeah, pretty perfect. I had it at this IOC, and I'm gonna just stay away. I made a good amount of money for the day, so we'll just call it a day right there. I mean, not too shabby. I'll take it every time. Let's go. I mean, if you guys made some money, go ahead and secure it. I guess I didn't have the biggest risk to reward ratio, but I was confident that the trade would hit. And truthfully, I think it should come down. The way it looks right now, this 5 minute just finished. I think it should come down a lot more. So if you want to hold your trade, hold your trade. I was just, honestly, it was a bad day on my risk to reward ratio. I should have kept it down here like I thought about this area. Um, but yeah, I don't know. I fucked up. I wasn't thinking too straight today. I was looking at this area for profit, and it is what it is. I was just worried about the 15 minute right here. So, fuck it. 97 of the pips. Yeah, it's not a great risk to reward ratio, 1 to 1.6. You never want to take this trade like that. I mean, it should have been like this, which would have been a little bit better, but I'm trying to get better on my stop losses not being so tight. So it is what it is. But yeah, if you're able to make some money, good shit. Like I said, take your profits where you feel comfortable. Just try to make sure your risk to reward is on point. And yeah, we'll call it a day right there. Hopefully you're able to make some money, Johnny. I appreciate you for hopping on today. And yeah, I mean, wasn't the best risk to reward, but gonna have to work on that for tomorrow for sure. But I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow, man. Thank you.